start with your mains. It's easier to get the chips and scoop all the goodness out from the bottom versus them being on top, and the chips at the bottom don't get anything. So I mean, it only makes sense, right? So there's some more cheese. And at this point, you can add whatever you want. You can either add bell peppers, you can add some ground beef, you can add whatever you want. I'm just gonna sprinkle some bell peppers on top.
So good.
You can put guacamole, you can put whatever you want at this point, but I am gonna go in with some of this. This is a really quick and easy way to make nachos, and right after that, all you do is you stick it in the oven, you let the cheese melt, and then it's ready to eat. Our nachos are done, and I have a life hack. So we're gonna put this pan on top.
Okay.
You're gonna grab your second pan, and you're going to flip the nachos over.
Oh my god.
And now, remember how I said that it's kind of not cool when your nachos on top get all the good stuff, and the nachos on the bottom are naked and they get nothing.
No.
And now, because we did both layers with stuff on top, no matter what nacho you get, you're gonna have stuff on it no matter what.
And the chips are not soggy because they weren't sitting in.
And they're not soggy because they were not sitting in there.
This is genius.
That's delicious.
Whoever thought of that's a genius.
Nachos with bell peppers.